In this video, we'll be using the point-slope form of a linear equation. The point-slope form of a linear equation is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1, where m is the slope of the line and the point x1, y1 is a point on the line. Notice for this point-slope form, the x and the y will be the variables of the equation. Our first problem is to find an equation of the line through 3, -5, having a slope of -2. So our point is 3, -5. Let's label that x1, y1. And our slope is -2. So this is the m. So our point-slope form, again, is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And all we need to do now is sub in values for each of these variables that are given. So let's write here from the left. We have y minus, and then y1 is -5. Be sure to put the subtraction sign and the sign on the number, -5, equals, and then my m is -2 times the quantity x minus, and then x1 is 3. Now we just need to simplify this a bit. The two minuses is the same as plus, so I have y plus 5 is equal to, and then let's distribute this -2. -2 times x is -2x, and then -2 times -3 is a +6. Finally, let's subtract 5 from both sides. These will cancel, and we have y is equal to a -2x plus 1. Let's do another example. Find an equation of the line through -4, 3, and 5, -1. Now, in order to use the point-slope form of a linear equation, y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1, we need to find a slope. So let's do that first. Our slope of the line that goes through these 2 points is change in y. So if we call this x1, y1, and x2, y2, our slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So our slope in our case is -1, subtract 3, divided by 5, subtract -4. Let's simplify this a little bit. -1 subtract 3 is a -4. And then these two minuses are plus, so I have 5 plus 4, which is 9. So my m is a -4/9. I can put that right in here. And then I'll need x1 and y1. Since I went ahead and labeled this as x1, y1, I'll use this point. But we could use the other one. We'll get the same equation. So I need y subtract y1, which is 3. And then on this side we have -4/9 times the quantity x minus, and then x1 is -4. Let's simplify this a little bit before we distribute. I've got y minus 3 equals a -4/9 times the quantity x plus 4. The two minuses is plus. Now let's distribute. We have y minus 3 equals a -4/9 x. And then a negative 4/9 times a positive 4 is a negative 16/9. Now I need to add 3 to both sides. These will cancel, and I have y is equal to a negative 4/9 x plus 11/9.